In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide the follow button on record pages in Salesforce. This is a useful skill to have at your fingertips, especially if you want to customize your user interface based on your team's needs. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Once you're inside, navigate to the Setup page. This is your gateway to a variety of tools and configurations available in Salesforce. Once you're in setup, the next thing you need to do is head over to the Object Manager. The Object Manager is essentially a centralized location where you can manage all your objects within Salesforce, making it easier to customize and organize your user interface. When you've entered the Object Manager, you'll see a list of all the objects. Now, it's time to pick the specific object you want to work with. This could be any object you are currently using, like accounts, contacts, or leads. Choosing the right object is crucial because this is where you'll be making changes. With your object selected, the next step is to open Page Layouts. Page Layouts allow you to customize the user interface by rearranging fields, removing or adding buttons, and much more. Essentially, it offers you the flexibility to design the layout of your records according to the needs of your users. Now, here comes the main action, adding or removing the follow button. To show the follow button, navigate within the page layout section to find the Lightning Experience actions. Once there, locate the follow button. Simply drag it to a place on the layout where you think it would best serve your users. If you want the button to be easily accessible, place it somewhere visible and convenient. On the other hand, if you decide that you want to hide the follow button, you'll just need to reverse this process. Find the follow button on your layout and remove it by dragging it off the page layout. This action will hide the follow button from the record pages, preventing it from being seen or used by others. Once you've arranged everything to your preference, it's crucial to save the layout. Make sure to hit that save button as it will apply all the changes you've just made. If you forget to save, all your customizations will be lost and you'll have to start over. And there you have it. Showing or hiding the follow button can be accomplished in just a few steps. This simple customization can greatly enhance your Salesforce user experience by tailoring it to meet the specific needs of your organization. Make sure you test your changes to ensure they work as expected. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out.